Paintings on the canvas of nature. The sound of nature is amazing. The sight of beauty is pleasing. Green has gone, and the shades of yellow, orange, and red are inviting the winter in a subtle form. The green has gone. Change is nature. Natural is change. Embrace its every beat with respect and grace. The long-awaited, tender sunshine is creating a fire in the foliage fallen behind. The touch on the floor is cracking the crunchy leaves. The music of nature is vibrating the chords with the sweeping breeze. Green has gone with the falling leaves. Green has gone with the falling leaves. Autumn is in rhythm, waiting for winter to begin. Yes, autumn is in rhythm, waiting for winter to begin. The sound of nature is amazing.